Have you ever wondered about the economic impact of Chinese investments in Jamaica? It's a question that warrants attention, as the economic partnership between China and Jamaica has been growing significantly in recent years. This partnership is not just about numbers and figures. It's about fostering economic growth, development, and opportunity for the people of Jamaica. Chinese investments are playing a pivotal role in Jamaica's economic landscape, touching key sectors ranging from infrastructure and technology to energy. These investments are not just about building bridges or laying roads. They're about laying the foundation for a prosperous future, a future where every Jamaican can reap the benefits of economic growth. China's investments are not just reshaping Jamaica's physical landscape, they're reshaping its economic future. They're creating jobs, boosting trade, and advancing key sectors to new heights. So join us as we delve into the heart of these economic interactions, shedding light on the investments that are shaping Jamaica's future. Chinese-funded projects in Jamaica span across various sectors, each with its unique impact. As we delve deeper into this economic landscape, we can better appreciate the breadth and depth of these investments, which have become integral to the continued growth of the island nation. In the realm of infrastructure, the Chinese imprint is quite evident. One of the most notable projects is the highway network expansion, which aims to enhance connectivity across the island. The new highways, tunnels, and bridges are not just about improving transportation. They are about linking communities, fostering trade, and facilitating the easy movement of goods and people. Moving on to the technology sector, we see a robust collaboration between China and Jamaica. A key project to highlight here is the establishment of a state-of-the-art data center. This digital hub is designed to bolster Jamaica's technological capacity, enhance data security, and promote digital entrepreneurship. This investment in technology is a testament to the forward-thinking vision of this partnership, as it places Jamaica on the path of digital transformation. In the energy sector, the focus has been on renewable energy projects. China's investment in wind and solar farms stands as a shining example of sustainable development. These projects not just provide a reliable source of clean energy, but also help Jamaica inch closer to its goal of energy independence. Then there are the numerous Chinese investments in the manufacturing sector, aimed at boosting local industries, creating jobs, and promoting economic self-sufficiency. The establishment of new factories and the modernization of existing facilities are playing a transformative role in Jamaica's industrial landscape. These projects, ranging from infrastructure development to technological advancements, are reshaping Jamaica's economic landscape. They epitomize the spirit of cooperation that defines the relationship between China and Jamaica and serve as a testament to the positive impact that foreign investments can have on a nation's development. Now, let's venture into the heart of these projects, exploring their direct impact on local communities and industries. Our first stop is the impressive North-South Highway, a ribbon of tarmac that spans the length of the island, connecting Kingston to Ocho Rios. This infrastructure marvel, funded by China, has significantly eased travel times and opened up remote areas for development. It's not just a road, it's a catalyst for growth, enabling seamless connectivity and fostering trade within the island. Next, we shift our gaze to the energy sector. The dazzling Three Gorges wind farm, perched on the verdant hills of Trelawney, is a testament to renewable energy. This Chinese-backed project is harnessing Jamaica's abundant wind resources, generating clean energy for thousands of homes, and helping the country inch closer to its sustainability goals. From energy, we move on to technology. The China Harbor Engineering Company's Information Technology Park in Portmore is a beacon of technological advancement. This project is not just about constructing buildings, but about constructing futures, nurturing local talent, and promoting innovation in the heart of Jamaica. Finally, let's turn to the realm of agriculture. The China-Jamaica Agricultural Technical Demonstration Center is a living lab where Chinese agricultural expertise meets Jamaican soil. Here, local farmers learn new techniques, improve their yields, and contribute to food security in the region. Each of these projects, in its own unique way, is reshaping the landscape and the lives of the Jamaican people. They're more than mere investments. They're catalysts for change, driving development, and fueling growth. They're creating jobs, boosting incomes, and fostering a sense of pride among locals. These projects are not just about the present, they're about the future. They're setting the stage for a prosperous, sustainable Jamaica, a country that's not just keeping pace with the global economy, but carving its own path, thanks to the strategic partnership with China. As we see, these projects are not only transforming physical spaces, but also contributing to the economic vitality of the communities they touch. The ripple effects of these investments go beyond the projects themselves. influencing the broader Jamaican economy. As the infusion of Chinese capital flows into the veins of the Jamaican market, we see a significant uptick in job creation. These projects aren't just buildings and power plants, they're springboards for employment opportunities for locals, contributing to a reduction in the unemployment rate. Additionally, the investments have led to increased trade between China and Jamaica. It's not just a one-way street, it's a reciprocal relationship. As Chinese companies set up shop in Jamaica, they import goods and services from China, but they also develop a taste for Jamaican products. This bilateral trade fosters a healthy economic relationship that benefits both nations. Furthermore, these investments drive advancements in key sectors. From infrastructure to technology and energy, the influx of Chinese capital accelerates the pace of innovation and development. New roads, bridges, and ports enhance connectivity and facilitate trade. Technological advancements bring the digital world to more Jamaicans, while investments in the energy sector ensure a steady and sustainable power supply. In essence, the economic impact of Chinese investments in Jamaica is akin to a ripple in a pond. Each investment sends out waves that touch various sectors of the economy, initiating a cycle of growth and development. These investments are fueling economic growth, creating jobs, and driving advancements in key sectors. Every investment comes with a price tag. So, what are the costs associated with these major projects? Certainly, the financial commitment to these ambitious undertakings is substantial. Infrastructure projects, in particular, are notorious for their high upfront costs. Think of it as building a house. You need materials, labor, machinery, and of course, time. The same principle applies to these mega projects, but on a much grander scale. For instance, the construction of a new highway might require an investment of several $100 million. Upgrading a power plant or installing a new telecommunications network could also run into the hundreds of millions. These are not small sums, and they represent a significant financial commitment from both China and Jamaica. But it's not just about the upfront costs. There are also operational expenses to consider, such as maintenance, management, and upgrades. These ongoing costs can add significantly to the overall price tag over the lifetime of a project. Yet it's important to remember that these investments are not just costs. They are also investments in the future. They are expected to generate a return, both financially and in terms of broader economic benefits. They can stimulate job creation, boost trade, and spur technological advancement. In essence, these projects are not just about spending money. They're about investing in Jamaica's future, its infrastructure, its industries, and most importantly, its people. While these projects require significant investment, the long-term benefits to Jamaica's economy and its people are undeniable. We've journeyed through the landscape of Chinese investments in Jamaica, exploring projects, impacts, and costs. We've seen how these ventures are reshaping sectors like infrastructure, technology, and energy, catalyzing economic growth and bringing about advancements in key sectors. We've dissected the costs, weighing them against the long-term benefits for Jamaica. This exploration has given us a comprehensive view into the transformative power of foreign investments. What are your thoughts on the economic impact of Chinese investments in Jamaica? Share your insights and join the conversation.